Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a little review slash testing out some hair extensions. These are actually from Amazing Beauty Hair, and that name might be a little bit familiar for you guys because I've actually done a review on their Halo hair extensions, which I love. If you guys see me wearing hair extensions, it's always those. They're amazing. But I recently got some of their clip-in hair extensions. I've said this before, you guys. I think I actually said it in that video, but I am honestly just the worst when it comes to clip-in hair extensions. I can never find it easy to blend, or you know what, the clips are showing or something like that. But I gotta say, you guys, these clip-in hair extensions are the best. They are honestly the best that I've found personally when it comes to blending, when it comes to the clips not showing or anything like that. These are amazing. Just look at how stunning this hair is. It's so thick. You can tell it's like really good quality as well. Also, this is 100% Remy human hair, which is amazing. So whatever you do to your normal hair, the hair that's on your head, you can do to these guys right here, which is always great. I know I cannot stand synthetic hair extensions. I mean, I feel like there's no point to those. You can't curl them, you can't straighten them, you can't style them. So with these, you can do all of that. So these extensions are 140 grams and they are the 22 inch, so they are pretty long. I think these are actually a little bit longer than my Halo ones. Also, for the shade name of these, they don't have an actual name. I think it's just a number. So I'll go ahead and I'll pop that up on the screen, and I'll also have all the information down in the description bar as well, so if you want to go check it out, you definitely can. And that also reminds me, I do have a discount code for you guys, which is ABHML, and you can actually get $15 off of any of the hair on the website, which is honestly amazing. That's another thing, you guys, that I absolutely love about Amazing Beauty Hair is their prices. They have really good prices for really good quality hair. So these extensions are a 7-piece set, and you do get like different size clips. So right here I have the 2-piece right there. You do get a 3, and then last but not least, you get a 4 right there. So I find when it comes to extensions, you really have to kind of experiment with what clip is going to work best in what section, you know what I mean? Like, for example, I know a lot of people, the first clip that they put in is the 4 clip, and for me personally, I find the 3 clip works way better, and then I'll go in and I'll do the 4. So you really just have to like test it out, see what works for you, and you know, it's going to be like a trial and error kind of system, but you will get it after a while. If I can do it, you can do it. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into putting these in my head. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is just section off my hair, and I'm actually going to go ahead and use the clip that it comes with. So each box always comes with one of these, which I love. I love these clips. They're actually amazing, especially if you just want to like pin your hair out of your face, like when you're doing your makeup or anything like that. I freaking love these. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this just to section off my hair. I honestly should have got a mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and get a mirror. Okay, we have a mirror, we're all set. So if you see me looking over here a little bit, I'm sorry. I also just want to point out, you guys, obviously, if you look at my extensions compared to my actual hair, they are a lot lighter. I always like to go with maybe like a shade or 2 or even 3 shades lighter than my actual hair. I just like that look of like ombre or balayage. I just think it looks so nice. So I just wanted to point that out in case you were like, that doesn't really match. Like I was saying earlier, I think when it comes to clip-in extensions, if you're not like extremely used to them, it is definitely like a trial and error process. So for me, I do kind of like to take a bigger section on the bottom, but for you it might be totally different, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip this up really quick. So this is the first section that I'm gonna take down here, and like I said, I like to go in with the 3 clip and start out with that one. I just want to preface, you guys, I'm not an expert, so if you see me doing something wrong, I probably will. I'm gonna take this clip and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right at the top of that section there. So the first piece is in, that's what it looks like there. And now we're gonna go ahead and take down the next piece of hair. Like I said, when it comes to the first extension, I do like to take a bigger chunk of hair. Now that I'm on the second one, I kind of like to go a little bit smaller, a little bit like a thinner section. So now I'm just gonna take the 4 piece and clip that in. And like I said, just right at the top of that section of hair. Alrighty, so that one is in. So right now I only have 2 clips in my hair in total. I want to say, you guys, before I do any more, these clips are so comfortable. I know that's a thing that I really hate about most clip-in hair extensions, is how uncomfortable they are, because these can really tend to pull at hair sometimes. And I think that's probably what makes them so comfortable, is that they don't tug on the hair, which I hate when that happens. Ugh. You guys know the struggle if you wear extensions. That annoying tugging on the hair from a clip-in extension, the worst. All right, we're just gonna leave it like this. Can you imagine? So next I'm just gonna go in with the second and the last 3-piece clip. so before I go on to any more, I'm actually gonna go ahead and just brush them out a little bit. And these brush through so great, you guys. One thing I want to point out, you guys, a little tip if you didn't know. So if you see these dark pieces of my hair right here, a lot of people don't like those showing. I personally don't really care, but what a lot of people will do is they will pin these back. So they'll take them like that and pin them behind their head like that so they're not shown. Okay, so now the only clips that I have left, I have 4 of them, and they are the 2 pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those more so on like the side of my hair. So I'm gonna take a chunk like that and put that right there. And then just do the same thing on the other side there. And you can already tell just how much these are blending better now that I have those 2 side pieces in. So I have 2 pieces left here, and I'm actually going to go ahead and just pop those in again on the side, just a little bit higher up. Alright, so I have them all in now. So this is what the 22-inch looks like. This is how long they are. I will say, you guys, something that I really like to do when it comes to extensions is I like to put a little bit of a curl in them. I find they blend so much better that way. Sometimes when they're straight, you can tell, you know, when your hair stops and the extension begins, but I find if you put a little bit of a curl in them, they blend seamlessly. It looks so nice. But you guys, even just having these straight out of the box, like, this looks so good. I'm obsessed. I love it. And you can go ahead, you can change your part. Still looks good. You can go ahead, you can tuck it behind your ears, which is no problem whatsoever. Sometimes extensions will get in the way, but as you guys can see, perfectly fine. I love it. I love the length. I think it looks so nice. So in conclusion, you guys, if you're not the best when it comes to clip-in extensions, or you just want to experiment with them, try them out, you like extensions, but you're not really sure how to go about it, I would really suggest these. They're so easy to work with. They're very, very, you know, thick, good quality. They feel really nice. Like I said earlier, there's absolutely no tugging where you put the clips in. It's super comfortable. So I think if you are a beginner or you're like me and you're just not the best when it comes to clip-in extensions, I think you will absolutely love these. I know I definitely do. And like I said, the halo extensions are definitely my favorite. I wear those all the time because they're just so easy just to throw on your head. But when it comes to clip-in extensions, these are my absolute favorite. I was also thinking, how nice would these look if you just clipped a few in with the halo extensions, just to add a little bit more thickness and volume. I think that would be absolutely stunning. So like I said earlier, I will have all the information down below when it comes to the hair, their website, the brand, all that will be down below along with my coupon code. But anyways, these extensions definitely get a 10 out of 10. Absolutely love them, and I think you guys definitely will as well. So that is going to be the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram or my TikTok. I post on there a lot, so if you want to keep up with me, definitely check that out. It'll be down in the description bar below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!